With ROG Phone, ASUS forayed into the gaming market last year, packing some amazing features. Today, ASUS announced its second-gen ROG Phone with 120Hz OLED screen, making it one of the very few smartphones with a screen of this caliber. On top of that, ASUS ROG Phone II is also the first phone to be powered by Snapdragon 855 Plus mobile platform. In this video, let's have a look at the ASUS ROG Phone II in its full glory. But first is first. The sequel to the last year's device offers a specification that are enough to run the most challenging, graphic-intensive games available right now. The latest phone from the ASUS stable has 6.59-inch AMOLED display with 10-bit HDR support as well as 120Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond touch response. With the 120Hz refresh rate, everything feels more natural, right from scrolling the app to playing games. Much better than the OnePlus 7 Pro, to be honest. Having said that, the refresh rate is same as the Razer Phone II. The ASUS ROG Phone II is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 855 Plus mobile platform, which is a slightly bumped up version that promises a bit more of performance and graphics. Notably, the Snapdragon 855 Plus features a 15% faster graphics and a CPU clock speed of up to 2.96 GHz. In terms of storage, it comes with a 512GB UEFS 3.0 storage accompanied with a 12GB of RAM under the hood. Moreover, it has a 3D vapor chamber to maintain performance while gaming. Additionally, it features updated air triggers with faster haptic response rate so that you no longer have to raise your fingers before tapping. Furthermore, the triple mic arrangement has upgraded to 4 microphones for better noise cancellation. The front-facing stereo speakers are louder, thus making the DTS X Ultra sound more effective. No gaming phone is complete without its accessories. Much to the gamer's delight, it includes range of accessories including a clip-on Aero active cooler, mobile desktop dock, and a clip-on controllers. For online gaming, ASUS has packed an in-quad antenna design to ensure optimal Wi-Fi reception. ASUS' new dual-screen twin-view dock now mounts on the bottom side instead of top. The built-in touchscreen used on the dock uses the same 120Hz AMOLED panel. However, the battery has been reduced to 5000 mAh from 6000. Summing up, you get a humongous 11000 mAh battery. As far as the photography concerned, the ROG Phone II features a 48MP f1.79 main camera plus a 13MP 125° ultra-wide camera. For selfies, we get a 24MP front camera as well. The ROG Phone II is powered by 6000 mAh battery with a 30W fast charging support. This is it guys for the unboxing. Do hit the like button, share and subscribe.